YouTube. What's going on? You know, who said that? What's going on, Wix? What's going on? Hi to all our beautiful subscribers. I hope you are having a wonderful Saturday. Hopefully I'll have this up tonight or tomorrow. Anyways, but it is Saturday, May 6th. And it's such a beautiful day today. I hope wherever you guys are, you are having a beautiful day and doing some amazing things, even if it's just sitting down watching TV. Okay, girl? Okay. So we are headed to the Air Expo. Is that what they call it? The Air Expo? Yeah. We're headed to the Air Expo for the National Guard Air Force. Yeah. They're supposed to have like the air show. That's not right? Oh. Okay.
Air and Army National Guard.
Air and Army National Guard. Thank you for correcting me, girl. Because you know I don't know. But oh yeah. Because I know. Let me stop saying girl, because I hate when people call me girl. I hate it. It's okay if you can call me girl when you say.
The only people that she like to call her girl is her gay friends, male friends.
Yes. But you can call me girl, you know, unless you're saying, girl, let me tell you. You know, when it's like tea. When you got tea, you know, that's the only phrase you can actually use.
My God.
Okay, I'll stop talking about it. I get passionate about that. Okay, anyways.
Their show is not my type of thing, but
Well, it's something to do on a Saturday here in the great state of South Carolina. And like we have so many options.
no.
You know what I mean? So you make the best of what you got. Y'all, it is so much traffic. We have went like almost 2 miles and it's mad traffic going to this air show, and it's just in one lane. It really is just this lane right here. People are staying in this lane and we're moving in this one. I don't understand. People always gotta follow the leader. Like, have your own mind. Get out of the lane that's so long and get in this one to get to the place. How many miles you think we still have, baby?
Oh, look.
Oh, y'all look. Oh, can you see? Can you see?
They're doing something.
Oh, we missed the show, Shannon.
No, teacher, they're going on and on. Ooh.
Wow. So y'all, you saw we were all in all that traffic. And yeah, we were in all that traffic. Girl, why my wife knew a back way, a backache, and we just bypassed about 3 miles worth of traffic. Ain't it good to know somebody who knows the inside? Nice. Not buying anything, I don't think. We're just looking. You should see some of the people that's out here, how they look. I mean, just come out like they're looking like they going to the club. You want to say anything? Huh? Talk to you guys later.
When I say that gets you to stop. Yeah.
Good morning, YouTube fam. Hello, sunshine. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. The sun is shining, the birds are chirping. Chirp, 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 chirp. It is Sunday. May the... What is it? May the what? This 7th. 7th day of the month.
Babe. Oh, she's asleep.
We are on our way to church. It's a struggle, y'all. If y'all don't know, our church is about an hour and a half away from where we live. But I absolutely love it. And Shannon does too. It's just difficult getting up in the morning to go to church. But anyways, yesterday was a really good day. We ended up going to the flea market. I don't know if you recorded when we went to the flea market. Yeah, she did. So we went to the flea market, and after that we went and got some packages, some grocery. Down here we call them packages. If you ain't really doing no heavy shopping, call them packages. You ain't picking up a few things. So we went did a little light shopping for food, and then we went home, and Shannon got on the grill, and she grilled up some ribs, chicken, hot dogs, things for my meal plan for the week. I thought she would eat some of the chicken, but she's not a big fan of grilled food, but like I am. She is more of a she keep her palate really simple, let's say that. She's driving and eating at the same time. I offered to drive, but I'm starting to be a nag, as you heard. And I don't want to be a nag. This one here wants to relax her nerve before she goes back to work tomorrow.
I'm off.
You off tomorrow? I'm thinking, I'm feeling so bad. You going to church, you so tired, and you're freaking off tomorrow?
But that doesn't mean anything.
You got all day tomorrow to relax. You got
No,
something to
I
do?
don't, because I still gotta work out. I mean, I don't have to do it early in the morning, but still, that day don't have that day don't be doing nothing for me.
Well, that note, we'll talk to y'all later. Oh, you want something to say something? You want to say something?
Bad. Oh, she's asleep.
I love T.S. Madison.
Bad. Hey guys.
So we were supposed to. Okay, we were supposed to close out our video on Sunday.
But
Go ahead.
okay. Something came up. We didn't get it finished. So
Church was really good.
awesome we had an awesome time in the name of the Lord.
And whenever
Somebody passed out. Who do you think it was?
comment below, who do you thought passed out at church on Sunday? Comment below. Let's see. Hashtag Fallout Girl.
Fallout challenge.
We had a good time in church on Sunday.
Yes, we did.
And
Had a
at
good
the church,
fellowship.
we went to some church family house and had a great time. It was a great barbecue.
Girl, can you get that little Impala off my
That's why we
tail,
didn't.
girl?
That's why we hadn't completed the vlog and I hadn't put it up.
Jeez.
But I'm gonna put it up today, Friday. Anyway, that's that. But we had good fellowship. I love my church. And so Shannon didn't want to go to church. Y'all saw the video.
Yes, okay, let me give you my testimony. I did not want to go to church on Sunday because, you know, our church is far away. So I was going to need gas. It was an off-pay week. So I had my gas money allotted for the week. So I didn't want to drive, want to waste gas, go to church. You know, it's me. Whatever.
Granted, because she had other things she was doing earlier that week.
Yeah, so I woke up with a little attitude, didn't talk to babe on the way, you know, blah, blah, blah. We got over it, went to church, had a good time in church. Whoever fell out, you know. Went to one of the deacons from the church, you know, her house with her wife. And had a great time. You know, we're going to be hanging out with them more, you know. They awesome people. Then later on in the week, you know, we put our last little bit of change in church, you know. Later on in the week, guess who get a blessing in the mail? She did. Me. Her.
Checks in the mail.
Checks in the mail, honey. Checks in the mail.
Yes, honey. Put that in ties this week, honey.
Checks in the mail, honey. Checks be coming in the mail. You know why? Because when you be faithful among few things,
Yes, God.
God will make you ruler among many. Woo!
You better know the word.
Thank you.
You better know.
Better preach it. I mean, I always act like I know, but I live it. You know what I'm
You
saying?
better know, boo. Hi. Yes.
Well, anyways, we're not going to take up all your guys' time. We just wanted to close out this video. You know.
And we'll see you in the next vlog next week.
And y'all pray. Because I'm trying to, you know, we've been in Tisha's car for like months because my car has been down, you know.
Speaking of which, I need to talk to you about something after we get off the camera.
Gosh,
You can't document this part.
yeah, my car's been down. But Lord, thank you, Jesus. He's making a way out of no way. My car is getting fixed.
Made
So thank you, Jesus.
way. Don't know how,
Not
but you did it.
used, not brand new. Thank you, Lord. He's making a way. Anyway, so I'm getting right on the way to drop this thing off anyway for my car. But anyways, we'll talk to you guys on the next go round. We're gonna vlog tomorrow.
Yes, we'll be vlogging
Tomorrow's the weekend, so we're gonna vlog tomorrow. We have some things planned with family, so
yes,
we will get with you guys tomorrow.
So hopefully that one will be up Monday.
Yeah.
Lord spare our life.
So you guys will talk to you later, and like our name says, we'll be on the go tomorrow. Let's on the go. Y'all have a great rest of y'all night, and
Follow us on Snapchat at Two Legs on the Go.
Two Legs on the Go, TWO.
And Facebook,
Instagram.
Two Legs on the Go.
Two Legs on the Go.
And thanks for rocking with us. And new subscribers, hey y'all. Thanks for joining the fam. Come on in. So we'll talk to y'all later. Peace.
Come on in.
Peace.